Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious Dagari flan. First, gather your ingredients and tools. You will need 1 package of Dagari flan mix, 4 cups of milk, and a 1-liter mold. Also, have a saucepan and a whisk ready. This simple dessert is perfect for any occasion and comes together quickly with just a few steps. Let's begin by preparing our workspace and ensuring everything is at hand for a smooth process. Now, let's combine our ingredients. Pour the entire contents of the Dagari flan mix packet into 4 cups of milk in your saucepan. Whisk this mixture thoroughly until it is completely smooth and well combined. Place the saucepan over medium heat, stirring constantly to prevent sticking. Continue stirring until the mixture comes to a full boil, then let it boil for exactly 1 minute. This ensures proper thickening. Next, we will prepare the caramel. Open the caramel packet included with your Dagari flan mix and pour it evenly into the bottom of your 1-liter mold. Be sure to spread it around. Then, carefully pour the hot flan mixture directly over the caramel in the mold. Allow the flan to cool completely at room temperature for about 30 minutes before moving it to the refrigerator. This initial cooling is important. For the final step, refrigerate your flan for a minimum of 2 hours, or until it is completely firm and chilled. Once thoroughly cooled, gently loosen the edges of the flan from the mold using a small knife. Place a serving plate upside down over the mold, then quickly invert both to release the flan. Your beautiful, homemade Dagari flan is now ready to be served and enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.